Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. We are going to start the exercise 2C from question number 12. But there is one request that if you like my videos, if you found my videos helpful, please like it and subscribe my channel. So question number 12. Question number 12 is question number 12. A computer animation shows a cat moving in a straight line. Its height h meters above the ground is given by this equation, where s is the time in second and it start moving. S is the time in seconds after it start moving. In the same animation, a mouse start to move at the same time as the cat, and its movement is given by minus 29s plus 10h equal to 16. Find the height above the ground and the time when the cat meets the mouse. So if we I have an old graph here. This is old graph actually. This is actually not. These are just any two lines. Just I'm explaining that. Suppose this x-axis, along x-axis there is a time in seconds. Here there is a time in second, and here is the height. So a cat and mouse start moving at the same time. So this is time in seconds and this is height. So it means that this graph shows us that for different time at different times the movement. For example, suppose this is the cat movement or position of cat height for different times. This is the this graph or this line which shows the movement of cat, and this line shows the movement of mouse. And this is y-axis, this is height h, for example. So it means on this line height might be different, but I think definite different for different points. But for all the point for this line time is same. For example, at any moment the cat is here and the mouse is here, and she is observing the movement of mouse so that she could be able to catch the mouse. For example, this is the at these points at the mean time is same, height is different, but because they are present on in different locations, but for time is same. Suppose they start their movement, mouse start from here and cat start from here, and this is the point where they meet each other, mean that the cat is successful to catch the mouse. So actually this is the basically this is a scenario that we need to find the point of intersection of two lines. We solve the equation. I mean that by graphical method we used before. I just showed you to explain this one, but the main thing is we need to solve these two equations given in the question, that mean the relationship between the time in second and height of the cat and mouse. So main thing is we have two equations. We need to solve the equation either by graphical method, by elimination method, by substitution method. But I think we use some maybe elimination method, or okay, we can use substitution method to solve this one. Equation one equation is 8s minus 3h equal to minus 9, and other equation, this shows the relationship between the time and height of the cat, and this is for Second equation related to the movement of mouse, minus 29s plus 10h equal to 16. So uh, we can find the value of one variable and we put the value to the other one. For example, from here, 8s equal to 3h minus 9 and s equal to 3h minus 9 over 8. So this was actually equation 1 and this 2, and for example this is equation 3. So put value of s we found from the equation 1 into other equation. So we found this value from the equation number 1 and we will put this value of s to other equation, not in this one. So put value of s in equation 2. Minus 29s plus 10h equal to 16 and minus 29 s is 3h minus 9 over 8 plus 10h equal to 16. And now to eliminate, or to remove this 8, we need to multiply each term by 8. So first I should multiply 20 minus 29 with 3. 29 into 3, that is equal to 87, and this will be minus 87, 87h, and minus plus 29 into 9, 29 into 9, 261 over 8 plus 10h equal to 16. And now we multiply each term by 8. So when I multiply this term with 8, this will be cancelled. So minus 87h left behind plus 261 plus 8 into 10, 80h equal to 8 into 16, 16 into 8, 128, 128, and minus 87 plus 80. This is minus 7h, that is equal to 128 minus 261 minus 7h, that is equal to minus 133, and h equal to minus 133, h will be equal to minus 133 divided by minus 7 divided by 7, which is equal to 19. So h is 19. Now we found h equal to 19, and for this is the height for cat or mouse. This height is actually common. Actually this will be the point of intersection, height of cat as well as mouse. So for time, at which time they will meet, we need to put this value of h in equation number this one 3. If we put value of h here, we will find the time at which they will at the same time or they will meet each other. So s equal to 3h minus 9 divided by 8, and s equal to 3 into 19 minus 9 over 8, and 3 into 19, that is 57 minus 9 over 8, and that is equal to 48 over 8, 8 ones 8, 8 6 are, so s equal to 6 seconds. So this height was in meters, 19 meter, and so they will meet each other at 19 meter. After they start their movement, after 6 seconds of their movement, they will meet at one point. So this was the answer. Now question number 13. Using either the elimination or substitution method, solve each of the following pairs of simultaneous equations. So now it is up to you that whatever method you like, uh, elimination or substitution, not graphical. So we need to use any one out of these two methods. So part A, uh, that is 2 over x plus y, 1 over 2 x plus y. So just here we need to cross multiply to write the equation in standard form. I mean that here we have these equations, ax plus by equal to k, in the form of that. The constant term should be on the right hand side and variables, this should be on the left hand side. So first of all we need to write this equation in standard form like this one already in the form of ax plus by equal to k. So I think there is no issue. You can, because you have a lot of practice for these type of questions, you can solve easily by cross multiply, arrange the variables, and you will find two equations. You can solve this one. So I start from second B part. B part is the first equation is 1 by 5 x minus 2 and equal to 1 by 4 1 minus y. Basically if we see, this equation is also like this. How we can, you can see here, that is x minus 2 over 5, and this is 1 minus y over 4. So exactly this equation is like this. So we will cross multiply 4, we will cross multiply, or even we can multiply both sides with the LCM. LCM of these two terms is 20. We can multiply 20 this side as well as this one, or we can cross multiply as I'm doing here. So whatever you like, you can do, adopt that one. So 4 into x minus 2 equal to 5 into 1 minus y. So 4x minus 8 equal to 5 minus 5y. So now we need to arrange 4x plus 5y equal to 5 plus 8, 4x plus 5y equal to 13. So we arrange this equation exactly in the same way. You need to arrange this equation. And here in part B, we also need to arrange the second equation also, that is 1 by 7 into x plus 2 whole 2 by 3. We can change into improper, 2 3 the 6 plus 2 8, this is 8 by 3, and equal to 1 by 3 3 minus y. So similarly, actually this is x plus 8 by 3 over 7, this is 3 minus y over 3. Now cross multiply, so this will be 3 into x plus 8 by 3, this one and this one equal to 7 into 3 minus y. Sorry, recording was off here. So what I did actually, this is equation number 2, just we obtained from here, and this was equation number 1 we found already here. And now we need to make the coefficient equal. Either we can make equal coefficient for y, or for x. So for making coefficient of x equal, multiply this equation by 4. 4 into 3 12, 4 into 7 28, 4 into 13 52, and this equation by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 30s are 39. So now for elimination, change the sign. We have to change for all the sign. Cancel 12 minus 12 0, so this is 0, and this will be 28 minus 15, this is 13 y, and equal to 13, and y equal to 13 by 13 equal to 1. Value of y is 1. Now put value of y in any of equation, either in equation 2 or in 1. This is equation 2, and this one is 1. So I put value of y in equation number 1. So 3x plus 7 into 1 equal to 13. 3x equal to 13 minus 7, and 3x equal to 13 minus 7 6, and x will be equal to 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. So x equal to 2, y equal to 1. This is answer. Now part C. One equation is 5x plus y over 9 equal to 2 minus x plus y over 5. So first arrange this equation, then we also need to arrange the second one. So here we can shift this term also, variable terms, to the left side. 5x plus y over 9 and plus x plus y over 5 equal to 2. So now we need to eliminate these denominator. So better, what is the LCM? This is 45. So multiply each term on both sides by 45 by LCM to bring in the standard form. So 45 into 5x plus y over 9 and plus 45 into x plus y over 5 equal to 42, 45 into 2. So 9 5s are 5 9s are, and 5 into 5 25x, 25x plus 5y plus 9x, coefficient of x is 1, 9x plus 9y equal to 90. Now 25x and 9x, these are like terms, we will add the coefficient. This is equal to 34x, 5y and 9y, this will be plus 14y and equal to 90. So this is equation number 1. So one equation we have, and for the other, which is 7x minus 3 over 2 equal to 1 plus y minus x over 3. So in the same way, bring this term to right side and keep this constant here on the right side, and bring this to left side. 7x minus 3 over 2 and minus y minus x over 3. Sign changed of this term when we shifted here on left side, equal to 1. Now similarly, what is the LCM? 2 3s are 6. Multiply each term by 6. So 6 into 7x minus 3 over 2 minus 6 into y minus x over 3 equal to 6 into 1. Now 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Now this is we are left with 3 into 7x minus 3 and minus 2 into y minus x equal to 6 into 1 6, and 3 sevens are 21, 21x minus 9 and minus 2y and minus plus 2x equal to 6, 21x plus 2x 23x, and this is minus 2y, and this is 6 minus 9 should be there on right side, plus 9, so 23x minus 2y equal to 6 plus 9 15. Now this is equation number 2. Now we arrange these two equations to we bring in standard form, and now we need to make elimination. In first equation, I am writing here first equation, so it should be in front of you. 34x plus 14y equal to 90. So this was equation number 1, and if we multiply equation number 2 with 7, then the coefficient of y will be equal. So multiply equation 2 by 7. So 23 into 7, 161x minus 14y equal to 15 into 7, 105. So now coefficient of 1 and this one is suppose 3, these are equal. So write here equation number 1, 34x and plus 14y equal to 90. So by adding, if we add, this will be cancelled. So 4 plus 1 5, 9 1x, and that is equal to 195. So x will be 195 over 195 equal to 1. This is 1. Now put value of x in equation number 1 or 2 in any equation. So 23 into value of x is 1 minus 2y equal to 15, and minus 2y equal to 15 minus 23. This is 23 into 1, 23. So minus 2y, that is equal to 15 minus 23, that is equal to minus 8, and here y equal to minus 8 over minus 2, 2 4 is 8, so y equal to 4. So this was the answer, y equal to 4, x equal to 1. Now part D, x plus y equal to 3 equal to x minus y equal to 5 equal to 2x minus 3y plus 5. So here only in one line, if you see there is a you cannot see the two lines here like two equations. So we need to make the two equations from this one line. So part D is, we can write this equal to this and then this equal to this, or even we can write this equal to this and this, because all the terms are equal. So we can make two equations by any way. For example, I will write x plus y over 3, that is equal to x minus y over 5. This is middle term, and middle term we can repeat this, x minus y over 5, that is equal to this third equation, this relationship, 2x minus 3y plus 5. Now by arranging this and this we can find two equations. So first from cross multiply to get the equation proper format. X plus y equal to 3 into x minus y, 5x plus 5y equal to 3x minus 3y. So 5x minus 3x, because all are variable, there is no constant term here, shift towards the right side, plus 5y plus 3y, that is equal to 0. 5x minus 3x, that is equal to 2x. 5 plus 3, 8y. So this is equation number 1. So by solving the second one, x minus y over 5, this is 1. So if we multiply both sides by 5, this 5 will be cancelled. So 5 multiplied by x minus y over 5 equal to 5 into 2x minus 3y plus 5. 5 cancelled. So x minus y equal to 10x, 15y plus 25. So x minus y minus 10x plus 15y equal to 25. X minus 10x, that is equal to minus 9x, and this will be plus 14y equal to 25. So this one is equation number, this is equation number 2, and already we have 2x plus 8y equal to 0. We can more simplify it, this equation, because each term is divisible by 2. We can divide by 2 each term. So this will be x plus 4y equal to 0. Better to give this equation as a 1, not in simplified form. So x plus 4y equal to 0, and now this equation number 2, and now we can multiply the equation number 1 by 9 to make the coefficient equal. So as I explained earlier, that don't see the sign, just make the coefficient equal, whether sign positive or negative, that is no issue. So we will multiply this equation by 9. So this will be 9x plus 36y equal to 0, and then we can add to this one.